So student, आज मैं discuss करें a new cell organelle that is mitochondria. Mitochondria. So since from childhood horopa ami pohi ahi asu that mitochondria is also known as what? Mitochondria is also known as powerhouse of the cell. So it is commonly known as what? Powerhouse of the cell. So mitochondria commonly known as what? Commonly known as powerhouse. Commonly known as powerhouse of the cell. So it is commonly known कि होरोपा आमी गम पाई आसो पढ़ी आही आसो that it is known as powerhouse of the cell. क्यों कहा ऐसे powerhouse of the cell? Because एटो एनुका organelle, एटो ए organelle that is mitochondria की कोरी आसे energy दिया आसे, की दिया आसे energy और ATP. Energy कोले की बुझा जाए that is ATP, right? Mitochondria this organelle की कोरी आसे energy दिया आसे और ATP का to the cell. So cell बिला को energy और ATP that is energy कुने दिया से energy दिया से तुम्हार mitochondria. That's why it is known as what? It is known as powerhouse of the cell. So more रखे बाद that mitochondria is commonly known as what? Powerhouse of the cell because this is the organelles which provide what? ATP or energy to the cell. Okay, because this is the energy which provide because this is the cell which provide energy to the cell. Okay, now who discovered mitochondria? Okay, so mitochondria was discovered by Kolliker in the flight muscle. Flight muscle जाना है कार होय birds बिलाकर होय, right? The flight muscle. So लिखो पड़ा that this mitochondria is discovered by Kolliker in flight muscle. Flight muscle. So who discovered mitochondria? The first scientist that discovered mitochondria is what? That is Kolliker and co-discovered in the flight muscle. Now who gave the term mitochondria? Term mitochondria kunne dile maan rakhiba. The term mitochondria was given by Benda. Okay, Benda is another scientist who gave the name what? Mitochondria. Okay, so मान रखिबा this is the what? This is the discover कुने कोरिले Kolliker कोट कोरिले in the flight muscle. Okay, आरो तुम्हार mitochondria term कुने दिले? The term mitochondria was given by Benda. Okay, now mitochondria are name like naming kora said that it is also known as what? Semi-autonomous organelle. So monon rakhiba that mitochondria ki koha hoy? It is also known as semi-autonomous what? Organelles. So it is also known as what? Semi-autonomous organelles. क्यों कहा ऐसे semi-autonomous organelles? Very important that semi-autonomous organelles कौन organelle है? That is mitochondria. It is also known as semi-autonomous organelles. Why? Because they have their own DNA. यहाँ तो नीचे आता DNA থাকে. No doubt genetic materials are present where? These genetic materials are present in the nucleus. Cell और कोट पहुँचा in the nucleus, right? But mitochondria নিজর DNA থাকে. Okay, now mitochondria নিজর DNA থাকে which is known as what? Mitochondrial DNA আর একটু circular DNA হয়. Okay, so মান রাখিবা that's why it is known as what? Semi-autonomous organelles. Okay, now if we talk about the number of mitochondria তো কিমান হয় number? Mitochondria number কিমান হয়? So মান রাখিবা that mitochondria number হয় তোমার. Okay, so number of mitochondria. Number of mitochondria mitochondria. So 1 mitochondria per cell कार होय जेनेके एटा सेलत तुम्हार की एटाई mitochondria থাকিবो ओके 1 mitochondria per cell एग्जांपल লৈ লোৱা chlorella ओके chlorella then Chlamydomonas okay Chlamydomonas so eta cellot ihotor ei cell bilak chlorella cell ba Chlamydomonas cell ihotor ki hoy etai mitochondria present thake like tomar maximum mitochondria kiman present thake that is about 5 lakh mitochondria is present in cell and keneko cell that is found in where is found in flight muscle okay it's a flight muscle cell tumar ki asile flight muscle cell tumar mitochondria paisile that 5 lakh and this is the maximum mitochondria that is found where this is the maximum mitochondria that is found in flight muscle cell aru Chlamydomonas and chlorella tumar ki hoy eta cellot etai mitochondria present thake so this is the number of what mitochondria now we'll talk about the shape so mon rakhiba that mitochondria is also known as what powerhouse of the cell why it is known as powerhouse of the cell kyo koa hoy because etu enuka organelle ji ki kore energy provide kore kak to the cell that's why it is known as what powerhouse of the cell now who discovered mitochondria the name of the scientist that discovered the mitochondria is what Collie Kerr okay and second thing the term mitochondria term kune disile that is Benda okay and mitochondria is also known as semi autonomous organelles kyo koa hoy semi autonomous organelle because hetor nijor DNA thake or DNA keneko that is circular DNA and that DNA is known as what mitochondrial DNA now if you talk about the number of mitochondria then tumar eta cellot etai mitochondria thake like example chlorella and Chlamydomonas okay and maximum tumar 5 lakh mitochondria present thake aru hetu kot pale in the flight muscle cell now we talk about the shape of the mitochondria okay now shape of the mitochondria then shape of kotha koi asu mitochondria keneka hobo pare dish shape hobo pare aru keneka hobo pare oval shape hobo pare mitochondria so definite shape ase that is dish shape or oval shape keneka suppose this is the dish shape or oval shape so this is what this is the mitochondria and mitochondria is what it's a membranous that means the membrane bound organelle that's why it is found in this present in eukaryotic cell okay so it is one membranous bound organelle and definitely membranous is so this is what membrane or to keneka membrane it is known as what outer membrane to ki koa hoy outer membrane of mitochondria this is what outer membrane of mitochondria now outer membrane hoy that means this is what membranous bound definitely to membranous bound hoy it could be dish shape or oval shape okay and this is the outer membrane that means ki hoy yaar outer membrane hoy mon rakhiba it is what less protein okay yat kiman protein bahut kom ke thake then definitely yat ki beshi thakibo that is the lipids okay so in outer membrane it has what less protein and more lipids like keneko we are talking about fats right keneko of lipids that is cholesterol yat cholesterol outer membrane cholesterol beshi thake aru protein ki thake kom ke thake so protein jodi kom ase that means the membrane will be permeable it will be more permeable so this outer membrane is what it is permeable Clear? So this is the outer membrane of what? Mitochondria. Now definitely outer membrane ase, that means bhitor tomar ki ase inner membrane, or you can say the inner compartment. So inner compartment tomar kenekwa hoy, it is infold structure. Structure to kenekwa hoy, folding thake, okay hiyotor. So this let me draw the inner structure. So this is the inner structure. So this is the inner compartment of what? Mitochondria. So let me write, this is what? Inner membrane. Inner membrane. Okay. Now ide inner membrane lenke outer membrane ki asle protein less, protein বহুত কমকে পোৱা গৈছিলে আৰু বহুত বেছিকে কি পোৱা গৈছিলে লিপিড মন ৰাখিবা আউটাৰ মেমব্ৰেন সদায় কি হয় less protein, it is less proteinous and more lipids আর কিমান lipids বেছি থাকে lipids কেনেকুৱা that is cholesterol, more cholesterol is present, okay, and outer membrane তোমাৰ কি হয় it is permeable, okay, it is permeable মানে বাহিৰৰ particles বিলাক আহা কাৰণে কোনো barrier না থাকে যি বস্তু আহিব পাৰে in inner membrane তোমাৰ কি হয় it is more protein, it has more what? Protein and less lipids, okay. So inner membrane ki hoy protein basically thake aur lipids ki thake kom ke thake, okay, that means yat ki totally nai cholesterol is totally absent here, okay, cholesterol tumar yat present thake basically thake aur yat cholesterol na thake, it's totally absent. So and this inner membrane is what? Due to having more protein, it is what? Selectively permeable. Clear? So a inner membrane to tomar ki hoy, it has more protein and less lipid, aur yat tomar ki hoy, it is what? Selectively permeable, that means it will select, okay, bahir jenuka particles ba ions molecule ji ahe etu ki koribo select koribo in inner membrane, but outer membrane tenuka kono selection na, it is permeable. Clear? Now this enfolding structure, this is the inner membrane, bas a enfolding structure to ki koha hoy, this enfolding structure is known as what? Crista. Okay, this enfolding structure is known as what? Crista, and inside this crista there is a substance which is known as what? There is a presence of substance which is known as matrix. Eto ki koa hoy? Matrix. Clear? So this is known as what? Matrix. Clear? So etu ki hoy tomar matrix. Now this matrix hoday mon rakhbe, a matrix are always rich in enzyme, okay, it is rich in enzymes, means yat bahut besi matrix os bahut besi enzymes present thake, and which help for what? Cellular respiration. It help for what? Cellular respiration, okay. And also there is a matrix of tomar ki hai, there is also presence of what? There is also presence of ions like magnesium ions, okay, manganese ions, ferrous ions, this all are present where in this matrix part, okay. So mon rakhiba that matrix of tomar ki hai, enzymes are mostly found, it's very rich in enzyme, logot it has for what? Cellular respiration, and also it there is a presence of what? Magnesium ions, manganese ions and ferrous ions. And this color of the matrix, in matrix of colors ki color kenekwa hoy, it's a pale yellow, mon rakhiba color kenekwa hoy, it is a pale yellow. Why it is pale yellow? Pale yellow kyo hoy? Due to the presence of what? Due to the presence of riboflavin. Riboflavin huni sa, that is kot poa jay, it is found in vitamin B, right? So tomar it's a what? It's a vitamin. Riboflavin ki hoy, vitamin hoy. Due to this vitamin riboflavin, the color of matrix is what? Pale yellow. Clear? The color of matrix will be what? Pale yellow. Now there is a space, right? So it is a compartment hoy, and this compartment is known as perimitochondrial membrane. perimitochondrial membrane. Okay, and also there is a presence of what? Ribosomes. tat ki present thake? Ribosomes. mon rakhiba, it's very important because jete moi ribosome pohaisilo koisilo there are two types of ribosome, that is one is 70S and another one is what? 80S. 70S keneko ribosome present thake in prokaryotes and 80S keneko ribosome present thake in eukaryotes. And also I have talked about like organelle, tat cell organelles present thake. Keneko cell organelle? That is mitochondria and plastid. That means ribosomes are present where? In mitochondria. That is known as what? Mitoribosomal, right? So yat tumar ki presence hai? Ribosomes in cell organelles. And yat ribosomes keneko ribosome thake? mon rakhiba 70S. It's similar to what? It's similar to prokaryotes, but it is what? Eukaryotic. Ami eukaryotic cells, like eukaryotic cells are tumar membrane bound structures poa jay like mitochondria, all this, but mitochondria tumar ribosome present thake aru hi ribosome to keneko hoy? 70S, which is similar to what? Prokaryotes. And also there is a presence of what? There is a presence of circular DNA. Already I told you that mitochondria is also known as what? Semi-autonomous organ. Why it is organelles? Why it is known as semi-autonomous organelle? Because it has their own circular DNA, that is mitochondrial DNA. So tumar yat ki thake? Circular DNA, which is known as what? Mitochondrial, right? Circular DNA, which is known as what? Mitochondrial DNA. Now in this mitochondrial DNA, tumar obviously it's a DNA, right? Means nucleotide bases ase yaar. So yaar mainly highly nucleotide bases ki present thake? Mainly it is composed of what? C and G. C and G ki hai? That is cytosine and guanine. C and G ki hai? That is cytosine and guanine. Mostly tumar comparison to cytosine, guanine, adenosine and thymine, adenine and thymine, sabke besi tumar ki present thake? That is cytosine and guanine. It's mostly found besibhag tumar cytosine and guanine thake. And just because of cytosine and guanine, the presence of cytosine and guanine, it's need a higher denaturation temperature. Okay, ki lage? Higher denaturation temperature. Okay, it's in higher denaturation temperature. That means tumar yat ki thake? Circular DNA. That is known as what? Mitochondrial DNA. And this mitochondrial DNA tumar sabke besi ki present thake? That is C and G. Sabke besi ki present thake? C and G. C and G, that is cytosine and guanine. It is C and G tumar ki hai? Normally ami jete jano that A logot tumar hydrogen ki double and C logot tumar G logot hydrogen bond kiman lage? That is bond kiman hoy? 13 ta bond. So ye 3 ta bond denature koribo karone it needs what? High amount of energy. Bahut energy lagibo to denature those bond. Okay, so he karone tumar ki hoy? A mitochondrial DNA tumar ki hoy? There denature koribo karone temperature bahut higher lagibo. Okay, high amount of denaturation temperature lagibo. Okay, so this is what? This is the mitochondria. Clear? This is what? Mitochondria. So mon rakhiba that mitochondria tumar ki hoy? It's oval or dish shape thake and tumar yat ki present thake? Like matrix, and this enfolding structure thake which is known as crista, and crista bhitor tumar ki present thake? Matrix, and this matrix are rich in enzyme. It consists what? Many molecular ions that like magnesium, manganese and ferrous. Okay, so that ribosome present thake? Mon rakhiba, it's very important. Ribosome keneko ribosome thake? That is 70S, which is similar to prokaryotes. 80S ribosome present na thake yaad. Okay, only 70S in what? Mitochondria. Now another one more structure is present in the matrix or in the crista. It's like a knob-like structure. Inko structure present thake like this. It's a knob-like structure. Okay, it's a knob-like structure, and this knob-like structure is known as what? Oxysomes. की कहा है? Oxysomes or F1 particles. So knob like structure থাকে, এনেকুৱা structure থাকে, और ये structure तो तुम्हारा की कहा है? Oxysome or F1 particles. Now what is the function of oxysome? Oxysome ki kore, what is the function? So we'll discuss about now oxysomes. Oxysome. So oxysome code thake, it's a knob-like structure and it is found where in the membrane of what? Inner membrane of the cristae. Okay, so now I'll draw. This is the outer membrane. Okay, this is the outer membrane. This is the outer membrane, and let me draw the inner membrane. Okay, so this is the what? This is the outer membrane, and this is the inner membrane. Okay, this is the outer membrane and this is the inner membrane, and this region is what? This is the, you can say, perimitochondrial or outer compartment koho para. Okay, and this is what? This is the cristae. Okay, this is the cristae or crista. Okay, there is a presence of what? This is cristae, and like in the inside the cristae there is a presence of what? There is a presence of substance that is known as what? Matrix. Okay, this is a substance which is known as matrix. This one membrane jonto tomar like at a face kori ase towards the inner membrane. Okay, inner membrane phale, that is towards the matrix. Matrix of phale tomar ki membrane face kora hoise, etu ki koa hoy? M face. So this face is known as what? M face. M face. M face means that is the membrane facing towards what? Towards the mitochondria. That means that is M face of inner membrane. It is M face of inner membrane. Again this from the inner membrane, inner membrane that is facing towards the what? Outer membrane. Outer membrane face this side. This is known as what? C face or cytosol face or cytosol face. Okay, membrane, C face or cytosol face of inner membrane. Then that means towards this side, the outer membrane face kora se inner membrane, it is known as C face or cytosol face, and towards the inner membrane towards the matrix face kora hoise, etu ki koa hoy? That is known as what? M face. Okay, that is the face towards the matrix of the inner membrane. That is only known as what? M face. Done. So now tomar ki present thake, I told about oxysomes. Ki present thake? Oxysome. Oxysome tomar ki hoy? First mon rakhiba oxysome function, we should know the function, right? First we'll discuss about the structure of the oxysome. So oxysome is oxysome or tomar ki, we are talking about oxysome, that means oxysome or tomar ki thake? Tinta part thake. I will draw extra oxysome here. So three parts thake. One, this is the extending structure. Okay, and there is a presence of what? Protein, which looks like this. There is a presence of what? Protein, and also another big protein. Okay, so this is the structure of what? This is the structure of oxysome. This particle to extend this structure to extend hoye ase etu ke ki koha mane a structure to this structure hoda kotha ki inside the inner membrane. Okay, like this, inside the inner membrane. Okay, so a structure can go inside the inner membrane like this. Okay, this is the inner membrane. Now there is the presence of protein which is extending outward to the outside of the inner membrane, that means towards the matrix. Matrix extend koribo, that is another protein. And also there is the presence of another one more protein. Junto protein tomar extend structure junto tomar inner membrane bhitor hoi ase, this is known as what? FO particles. Eto ki koa hoy? FO particles or bare particles or stock. Bare stock ko koha para, bare particles ko koha para. So this is FO particles or bare stocks. Clear? It is known as what? Bare stocks. Now this protein that is after the FO particles, this is known as what? F5 or F6 particles. This is also known as stock part. Okay, this is also known as stock part. Clear? And this is the larger structure, that is another protein, and this is known as what? F1 particles. F1 particles or head part. F1 particles or head part. So this is known as F1 particles or head part. Clear? So ki hol, this is tomar structure inside the membrane ase, in inner membrane bhitor ase, eto ki koa hoy? FO particle. Then tomar ki F5 and F6 particle, that stock part koa hoy, and this is bare part. And this is the larger protein which is known as what? It's a larger protein which is known as the head part, and also it is known as what? F1 particles. That means from FO to F1 particle. Hekane oxygen ki koa hoy? FO, like F1 particles. So this is oxygen. Now oxygen or hoy ki? So মন রাখিবা, this F1 particles, এই F1 particles কি করে? It leads to synthesize করিব. কি synthesize করিব? It leads to synthesize of what? ATP. Yes. It leads to synthesize of what? ATP. Okay, ATP synthesize kore with the help of enzyme that is known as what? ATP synthesis. We can write also ATPase. So F1 particles ki synthesize koribo? ATP. It will help to synthesize what? ATP. Jodi ami kau that actually jodi ami kau permanently ami jodi kau ki hoy, what is the function of oxygen? Then oxygen what? It helps to synthesize what? It helps to synthesize ATP. Okay, so keneke koribo? Suppose pair protons will enter. Okay, pair protons ki hobo? Pump koribo inside the membrane. Okay, pump koribo. Ete pump kora lage lage, as we know that this outer membrane is what? Permeable. It is less protein and it has more lipid, so it is permeable. Okay, it is what? Permeable. Now pair protons pump koribo inside the membrane, and it will come to towards the inner membrane. But inner membrane is what? This is more proteinous and less lipid. That means it is what? Selectively permeable. Now let me draw more oxygen. This is what? Oxygen. Okay, this is what? Okay, this is what? Oxygen. Now if pair proton can enter towards the matrix, how it will enter? So they will enter towards what? Towards the oxygen. Enter towards what? Towards the oxygen. It will enter what? Towards oxygen. From FO particle to the F1 particle. Now what is the function of F1 particle? So a proton jodi enter koribo with a high amount of energy lagibo, with high amount of energy. So when it will enter towards the oxygen, that is from the FO particles to F1 particle, then tumar ki synthesis hobo? That is ATP, which will hydrolyze and form what? ADP and inorganic phosphate. Okay, that means তোমার আমি কব পাৰো that ATP synthesized কোত হৈ আছে? That ATP is synthesized in the oxysomes of mitochondria. So you can write that ATP, okay, you can write that ATP synthesized in the oxysomes of mitochondria. মনে রাখিবা। সো তেনেকৈ তোমাৰ কি হয় ATP synthesize হৈ আছে ক'ত হৈ আছে অক্সিজমত হৈ আছে okay and which is oxygen is also known as what F1 particles clear so this is what this is the mitochondria ekarne tumar ki mitochondria ki koi powerhouse of the cell because it is synthesized ki the function will be what of mitochondria that ATP synthesis function ki hobo the first function will be ATP synthesis and also it has for the formation of what vitalogenesis formation that means vitalogenesis formation ami already palo that Golgi body tumar ki hoy it has for what vitalogenesis formation but not only alone Golgi body plus mitochondria darkar hoy to help what to help for vitalogenesis okay now tomar ki hobo that is another one is what as we all know that's in the middle piece of sperm that is nebenkorn koy in the middle piece of sperm tomar ki hoy present ki thake that is mitochondria and this mitochondria helps kihor karone kare this mitochondria helps for what this mitochondria helps for the movement of tail means tail reke guide for the movement okay so this is what this is the function of mitochondria now we'll discuss another organelles about plastids okay now we'll discuss about another organelles that is plastid so mitochondria function tumar ki hoy mitochondria the most important function is what ATP synthesis okay ATP synthesis hoy or vitalogenesis tumar ki hoy important hoy because vitalogenesis formation tumar ki not only Golgi body tar tumar ki lagibo mitochondria okay and also it helps for what it helps for sperm movement that means in middle piece tumar ki present thake mitochondria which help for the movement of what tail okay tailot gusi jay for the movement so this is the function of what mitochondria now we'll talk about another organelles that is plastids it is plastids okay so that plastid is also cell organelle that is discovered by whom discovered by Haeckel this is another scientist which had discovered what plastid and the name of the scientist is what Haeckel and kot pale that plastids kot poa jay that it is found in where it is found in plant cell and some protist okay it is found in plant cells and some protist like kenekwa protist like euglena okay so it is what plastid now depending on their function tumar ki plastid is divided into two types that is it is classified into two types that is leucoplast and chromoplast so plastid is classified into two types that is one is leucoplast and another one is what chromoplast this is leucoplast and another one is what chromoplast okay so in leucoplast is also plastid right but keneko plastid hoy to it's a what colorless plastid that means yat ki hoy pigment present na thake so first character ami ki palo about leucoplast that it has no pigments kuno pigments na thake that means the leucoplast keneko hobo it is colorless so what about chromoplast jodi ami chromoplast er kotha ko that means it has what it has found what what that is pigment that means it is what colored so it has what colored that means it has pigment so pigment is present so it is colored plastid so to kenuka plastid hoy colored plastid clear so don't get confused between leucoplast and chromoplast leucoplast that means it is a colorless plastid and chromoplast it will be what it is what colored plastid clear now It is leucoplast kuntu part. We are talking about plant, right? Because plastid is mostly found where in plants. Okay, so plants of kuntu part of this this is colored plastid, that is leucoplast poa jay. Okay, so enekwa plant or part jo tumar sunlight expose no hoy. Okay, hey tenekwa part of the tumar ki hoy, that is what leucoplast is found. Okay, so it is found where the sunlight do not exposed. Okay, when the sunlight does not export, enukwa part or plant ot poa jay jo sunlight tumar ki hoy expose no hoy. Example jodi ami lo, example ki hobo? So example will be what? Your rhizomes, normally in the roots. Okay, roots ot tumar poa jay tuber roots, এইবিলাকত কি হয় লিউকোপ্লাষ্ট পোৱা যায়, বিকজ তোমাৰ কি হয় সানলাইট এক্সপোজ নহয়, এণ্ড দ্যাটছ ওয়াই তোমাৰ কি পিগমেন্ট প্ৰেজেন্ট নাথাকে, এণ্ড ইট ইজ হোৱাট কালাৰলেছ প্লাস্টিড. নাও হোৱাট এবাউট ক্ৰোমোপ্লাষ্ট? ক্ৰোমোপ্লাষ্টত কি হয় তোমাৰ ডেফিনেটলি ইট ইজ হোৱাট কালাৰ প্লাস্টিড. দ্যাট মিনছ তোমাৰ ইয়াত কি হৈ আছে সানলাইট তোমাৰ যিমান পাৰ্টৰ প্লান্টৰ যিমান পাৰ্ট আছে তাত তোমাৰ কি হৈ আছে সানলাইট এক্সপোজ হৈ আছে. সো ইট ইজ হোৱাট, দ্যাটছ ওয়াই ইট ইজ হোৱাট কালাৰ প্লাস্টিড. সো পাৰ্টস অফ প্লান্টস where sunlight is exposed. So parts of plants where sunlight is exposed tumar ki hoy, that is chromoplast. Example dilo, example ki hobo, that is leaf, you can say flowers. This is what? This is chromoplast. Clear? So chromoplast ki hoy sunlight tumar expose hoy, that's why it is colored pigment. Okay, sunlight expose jumla part of tumar sunlight expose hoy ase tenekwa tumar ki ko hoy, that is what color plast, that is chromoplast. Jodi example ami loisu ki leaf and flowers. Now what will be their what will be their function? So function ki leucoplast function ki it has for storage of what? It has for storage of food. Leucoplast help for what? Storage of food. Okay, and what about chromoplast? It has for what? Photosynthesis. It has for what? Photosynthesis. It has for what? Photosynthesis. So this is the function of what? Chromoplast and leucoplast. Leucoplast ki function hai, it help for storage of food, and chromoplast ki hai, it help for what? Photosynthesis, and also ki kore attraction kore kar the pollinating agent like insects. Okay, yato ki attraction kore, help for attraction. So this is what? Chromoplast. Now we'll discuss about leucoplast. So now leucoplast is classified into 3 types depending on their storing. Jodi ki store kori ase depend hitu kori tumar tu ki 3 types of classify kora hoise. Okay, that is it is divided, leucoplast is divided into 3 types depending on the storing. That is, one is what? The first will be amyloplast. That is amyloplast. Second will be aleuronplast. Okay, and the third will be, second will be aleuronplast, and the third will be alioplast. So third tinta palomi, that leucoplast depending on the storing is classified into 3 types: amyloplast, aleuronplast, and alioplast. Amyloplast ki hoy tomar store, because we are talking about store, right? Ki store kore rakhe, it's stored what? It's stored carbohydrates. So mon rakhiba amyloplast ki store kore rakhe carbohydrate. Aleuronplast ki store kore rakhe stored what? Protein. Okay, and alioplast ki store kore rakhe stored what? Fats. Clear? So this is what? This is the leucoplast, and leucoplast divided into three types, that is amyloplast, aleuronplast and elioplast. Amyloplast ki hoy store carbohydrate, aleuronplast ki hoy store protein and elioplast ki kore rakhe stored what fat. Jodi ami example now carbohydrate like potato tuber, okay, potato tuber, rice, okay, wheat, rice, এইবিলাক কি হয় এক্সাম্পল অফ এমাইলোপ্লাষ্ট. যদি এলিউৰনপ্লাষ্টৰ এক্সাম্পল এনেকুৱা এক্সাম্পল য'ত প্ৰটিন ইজ মষ্টলি ফাউণ্ড, প্ৰটিনটো বেছি ষ্ট'ৰ কৰি ৰাখে লাইক পালচেছ, ৰাইট, লাইক পালচেছ, লাইক মেজ এক্সাম্পল, অ'কে, মেজ এইবিলাক কি হয় এক্সাম্পল অফ এলিউৰনপ্লাষ্ট. প্লাছ পালচেছ ক'ব পাৰা, ইট ইজ এক্সাম্পল অফ উইল বি হোৱাট এলিউৰনপ্লাষ্ট. নাও হোৱাট এবাউট এলায়োপ্লাষ্ট? এলায়োপ্লাষ্ট কি হ'ব এক্সাম্পল য'ত ফেট ষ্ট'ৰ হৈ ৰাখে, দেন ইজ কেষ্টাৰ seeds, groundnuts, okay, sunflower seeds. এইবিলাক এক্সাম্পল কিহৰ হয় তোমাৰ এলায়োপ্লাষ্ট, বিকজ তোমাৰ ইয়াত কি থাকে ফেট ষ্ট'ৰ হৈ থাকে, বিকজ অইল যেনেকুৱা অইলবিলাক ওলাই যোৱা প্লেণ্টছৰ পৰা সেইবিলাক কেনেকুৱা হয়, দিছ অল আৰ হোৱাট, দিছ অল এলায়োপ্লাষ্ট, অ'কে, দিছ অল আৰ হোৱাট এলায়োপ্লাষ্ট. এণ্ড এলিউৰনপ্লাষ্ট ইজ হোৱাট ষ্ট'ৰ কি কৰি ৰাখে প্ৰটিন, অ'কে, and amyloplast ki store kore carbohydrate. So this is the leukoplast. Now I'll discuss about the what chromoplast. Now I'll discuss about the chromoplast. So depending on their pigment, classifies this chromoplast is classified into three types. So depending on their pigment, based on their pigment, this chromoplast divided into three types. That is will be what? The first will be chloroplast. Okay, it's very important. Chloroplast. Next is what? Pheoplast. Okay, pheoplast. And third will be what? Rhodoplast. Okay, so it is divided into three parts, that is pheoplast, rhodoplast and chloroplast. Okay, chloroplast so tomar ki present thake, that is the pigment known as what, because we are talking about what pigment. So based on their pigment it is classified into three types: chloroplast, pheoplast and rhodoplast. So chloroplast keneko pigment present thake, that is chlorophyll. Okay, aru he chlorophyll keneko pigment hoy, that is it is what green pigment. Clear? Now what about pheoplast? Pheoplast keneko ki present thake, that is xanthophyll, and due to the xanthophyll the color is what? The color is brown pigment. The pigment is what? Brown. So brown pigment keneko like chromoplast or pheoplast. So it is brown pigment. Why brown pigment? Due to the presence of what? Xanthophyll also, or fucoxanthophyll. Okay. Now rhodoplast. In rhodoplast tumar ki hai? So in rhodoplast there is a presence of what? Rhodoplast ki present ho pare? It is the presence of what? Red pigment. Okay, and that is phycoerythrin. So phycoerythrin. Due to the presence of phycoerythrin, the pigment color is what? Red pigment. So this is the what? Chromoplast. Example jodi ami lo chlorophyll code present thake, example jodi ami lo ki hobo, that is leaf, okay, green stem, these all are presence of what? Chlorophyll. Pheoplast example ki hobo, pheoplast example brown algae, okay, brown algae. And what about rhodoplast? Example will be red algae. So this is what? Plastid. So plastid tumar ki hoy? It is found where? It is found in plants, in some protists like Euglena, and it is classified in two types: leucoplast and chromoplast. Leucoplast mi kaho para? It is what? Colorless plastid, and chromoplast kaho para? It is what? Colored plastid. বিকজ তাত পিগমেণ্ট প্ৰেজেণ্ট থাকে আৰু তাত পিগমেণ্ট প্ৰেজেণ্ট নাথাকে অ'কে যোনবিলাক ছানলাইট ডাইৰেক্টলি এক্সপ'জ হয় প্লেণ্টছৰ পাৰ্টখিনি দে আৰ হোৱাট ক্ৰম'প্লাষ্ট আৰু যোনবিলাক এক্সপ'জ নহয় যোনবিলাক পাৰ্টছ প্লেণ্টৰ এক্সপ'জ নহয় ছানলাইটত এইবিলাকক কি কোৱা হয় লিউকোপ্লাষ্ট অ'কে এণ্ড লিউকোপ্লাষ্ট এগেইন দে ক্লাছিফাইড ইন 3 টাইপছ এণ্ড ক্ৰম'প্লাষ্ট এগেইন ক্লাছিফাইড ইন 3 টাইপছ চ' ফৰ টুডে থেংক ইউ